Today I'm going to show you how to cap a 15mm pipe. So this is redundant up here because we're going to put a T-piece in here and carry it along. So we just need to cap just above this T here. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to pop this clip off. It says using grips. There you go. Then we should have a bit of movement. Not much. We're going to grab ourselves a roller cutter like so. As you can see, it's just about enough room above it. If you couldn't get a roller cutter in, then I highly recommend using a multi-tool where you can get nice and close in there, cut that. But in this instance, we're going to use a roller cutter. We're just going to put it as high as possible and we're just going to spin it. Roller first, cut a second. We do have the water isolated outside. This is a mains cold water pipe. As you can see, there's a slow trickle, so we know we're not going to get wet. As you can see, just keep turning until you're all the way through. Turn it back to remove your section of pipe that you've cut, like so. Just going to remove this clip. For this, we're going to use a 15mm compression joint, so it has an olive inside and it compresses onto the pipe. So place that on, undo this top part, like so. So take this top blanking cap off, leave the nut and olive on, and what you're going to use is some jointing compound that just helps the olive bite onto the copper. You're just going to smear that onto the copper. Make sure you don't get any inside it. Just pull the olive up, and as you can see, the olive will grab hold of some of the paste. Put a bit more on the olive. Then inside the fitting, just on the little beveled edge, just run a little bit around that, so it looks something like that. Place that on top, pushing it all the way down with your finger, and then wind the nut up until it's tight, like that. Then you just grab yourself some tools to do it up. So I'm using a Duratec self-adjusting spanner, like so. You want to do this up. To do this up, this needs to go clockwise, and so does this. So I'm gonna use this on the nut itself. Then I'm going to grab myself a set of adjustable grips that are nice and thin, just on the top nut, like so. I'm just going to tighten that up, like so. And there you go, it's nice and tight. Now turn this valve off, reinstate the water and check for any leaks on this fitting. For all the tools used in this video, check the link down below. But I hope this video has helped. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. But this has been how to cap off a 15mm pipe. This is also pretty much the same for a 22 and a 28mm. If you've got any questions, like I said, leave them down in the comments, and I'll see you around soon. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Cheers.